Volkswagen key fobs use radio frequency to communicate with your car, enabling remote locking and engine start. They're powered by small batteries, typically CR2032 type. When you replace the battery, the fob needs resynchronization. This ensures only authorized fobs work and prevents unauthorized access. VW has transitioned to keyless entry, so resyncing differs between models. Without resyncing, the key fob may not function at all. First, ensure your car is unlocked and all doors are closed. For models with a key slot, insert the physical key into the ignition. For push-button start models, press the brake pedal and use the start button. Turn the key to the on position or start the engine, then back to off. Repeat this 3 to 5 times quickly. Next, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. The car lights may flash or the horn beep to confirm synchronization. Finally, test the fob by locking and unlocking the car. If it fails, consult your owner's manual or a dealer, as some models require a diagnostic tool for resyncing. For newer models, syncing can sometimes be done wirelessly via the infotainment system under Vehicle Settings, Key, or Digital Key. Always use OEM batteries to avoid sync failures.